In primetime news this evening, second booster required. Health Ministry considers another COVID vaccine jab amid rising cases. Slave masters. Police Federation blasts government rejecting new proposed salary scale. And stakeholders again raise concern about increasing number of children involved in scamming.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also in this evening's package, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime, and your weather reports and forecast. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening's question: would you take a second booster shot against COVID-19? Give reasons for your answer. And you can share those reasons online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.